Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a recipe that you can prepare very easily again. Pan-fried chicken with Cheshire cheese. To stay updated on my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Wash about 1 kilo of bone-in chicken thighs thoroughly and place them in a pressure cooker. Add 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic. 1 onion, cut into quarters. About 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. You can also use ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough water to cover them. Boil our chicken until it is tender. On low heat. I boiled it for about 40 minutes. Then check with a fork. If it's tender, we can remove it from the heat. I'm putting it onto a plate. After it cools, remove the skin. I won't be using the skin. Shred the chicken and divide the larger pieces again. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. And add our chicken, sprinkling some more black pepper over it. Sauté, stirring for about 5 to 6 minutes over medium heat. Then sprinkle plenty of grated Cheshire cheese over it. Cover the pan and cook on low heat until the Cheshire cheese melts. The Cheshire cheese has melted, look. Our chicken is ready to serve. You can serve it with rice. It's both very practical to make and very, very delicious. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments.